So I see you guys are checking out the horsepower Duck vacuum. This thing is actually pretty awesome. Been using it for a while now. I like it actually even for the grandkids, because when they make a mess on the floor, I tell them, go get that vacuum, and it's so nice and small that they can handle it really easy. Now this thing's going to take you between 3 and 4 hours to charge.
3 to 5 hours
3
if
to 5
it's really
hours.
low.
But we've been using it for a long time, and I've only charged it one time. And one of the main reasons we had bought this vacuum is for stink bugs.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but we have a lot of stink bugs in the area.
Yeah.
In our area,
Yeah.
and I know we was taking a pop bottle and putting soapy water in it and scraping up the stink bugs, and it just got to be a pain. And this thing made it so much easier just to go up to the stink bug and just suck that stink bug up.
Yeah.
So it works pretty good. Now listen, I do think this is a pretty good product. We do really like it a lot. We've been using it, and it does come with an owner's manual. I would suggest reading it and understanding it before you get started. You know, we're just going to give you the basics. So.
Yeah, it does have a little HEPA filter inside, and you can take that out and just rinse it underwater when it gets dirty. But make sure you let it air dry really well before you put it back in there.
Okay, and one nice thing about this is it does have a flapper down in there.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you can see from the side, there's a stink bug crawling on it. And that keeps the stink bugs from crawling back out of this. So you can literally fill this thing clear full of stink bugs before you have to worry about emptying it.
Yeah. And it does come with some attachments. You have this long hose here. And then you have a crevice tool. And they just connect right inside of this.
Now,
right
this
like
is
that.
The brush. Does the brush fit inside?
And then we have a little brush.
I think it fits on this.
Oh, it goes on one of those. Okay.
Yep, like so.
Okay, and then like that, you can... This would be even nice to really clean your car.
Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. And
Yeah.
the suction is actually pretty good on this.
It
Let's
is.
see. Listen to this thing. So it does have good suction.
It comes with a nice little bag to put all your tools in so you don't lose them. Don't
also
misplace them.
A charger.
Yeah.
And
Make sure you...
Just plugs into a USB port. Plug it into your little vacuum. I just let mine set for a few hours.
Yeah. But I love it because I don't have to touch the stink bugs. I was grabbing paper towels or something, and you know, and this thing is so nice, it just sucks them right up. But
so I hope we gave you enough information so you could decide whether you want to purchase the horsepower Duck vacuum cleaner. Thing works pretty good. And like I said, we haven't had to charge it in a long time.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.